In today's video, I am going to teach you how to choose an account type on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Secure Client area. Once you are inside your dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. In that menu, click on Trading Accounts. This will take you to the section where you can view your current accounts and create a new one. On the Trading Accounts page, find and click the option that says Add a Trading Account. This starts the setup process for a new account. After that, you will be asked to choose whether you want to create a live account or a demo account. Select the option that matches your goal. A live account is used for real trading, while a demo account is used for practice. Next, choose your preferred trading platform. Pepperstone may offer different platform options, so select the one you plan to use for your trading activity. After choosing the platform, you will be shown the available account types. These can include options such as Standard or Razor. Take a moment to review the account types shown on the screen. Each one is designed for different trading preferences, so choose the account type that best fits your trading needs. Once you have made your selection, continue through the rest of the account setup process. Fill in or select any remaining options that appear on the screen. When you reach the review section, carefully check your selected account type and all of the settings you have chosen. This is an important step because it helps confirm that everything is correct before the account is created. If anything needs to be changed, go back and update it before moving forward. Once you are satisfied with the details, click Submit to create the account. Pepperstone will then process your request. After the submission is complete, return to the Trading Accounts section and confirm that your new trading account now appears in the list. This lets you know that the account has been created successfully and is ready for the next steps. That is how to choose an account type on Pepperstone, from opening the setup screen to confirming the account in your dashboard. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.